Sing. Say hello. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning, Cookie. Good morning, Muffin. Why you're so noisy early morning? And then while I'm cooking, you're so noisy. You keep going, hello. Hello. And now you are so quiet. What happened? You just finished shower? You feel cold? You are taking bath? Cookie? Muffin? You feel cold? Oy. Cookie. Muffin. That is Cookie. And this is Muffin. This is Muffin. Yeah, that's for my kid's pet. Hello. You say hello. Hello. Good morning. Early morning. You're so noisy. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. And now, you're so quiet. You're quiet. Cockatiel. No, you're so quiet. What's wrong? You feel cold? You just finished bath? Cookie, Muffin? What happened? Early morning, you keep telling and talking. Hello! Good morning! Hello! Good morning! Supposed to be I should wake up 7 o'clock. But 6 o'clock, you're so noisy. What happened? And now you're quiet. What's wrong? Cookie, Muffin. Oh. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. My two cockatiel, bird, parrot, Cookie, and Muffin. Bye-bye.